everyone. We're Sharon and Hank Uloff from Uloff Creative.
Thanks for checking out the Small Business Marketing Plan. This is a program that we put together because a lot of people couldn't, well, frankly, afford to work with us one-on-one, but we wanted to put together a program that is do-it-yourself with coaching to help your business move forward. So when you invest in the program, not only do you get tons of video help, because every time we do one of our boot camps, we put it into the system so you can see right up to date what's new. When we do speaking engagements, you get to see all the video stuff from our speaking engagements and what's cool. And you get a 60-day guarantee on it, so make sure that it works for you. They get to go in and watch, what, all the videos?
All the videos.
They get a workbook?
And the action guide.
All of the action guide, all of that stuff. The cool thing about it is in our private Facebook group, you can ask us questions. We have a weekly phone call that you can dial in on and ask questions there. So this isn't shelf help. This is something that's actually going to help you invest in your business, and it's going to work for you. The last kicker, and what's awesome, since we believe that every business should be involved in nonprofits.
Yes, please.
We're involved with several. We want you to be able to give a copy of this to the nonprofit that speaks to you. So if you're involved in that, when you invest in this for you, we send a copy to them as well. So what should they do next?
Go ahead and hit that Get Started button.
Yep, up in the corner up there. Hit the Get Started button. Or if you have questions, you can call us at 800-705-4265, or send us an email, info@uloffcreative, and we'll answer it back to you and we can answer any questions. So thanks for checking this out. We do appreciate that. And honestly, whether you use our program or someone else's, get some help. You were taught how to do what you do, but probably not taught how to market what you do. Get help doing that, and build your business. Make your dreams come true, because that's why we all started in business. See you later.